Fire is there, you'll put your hand inside the fire, हाथ जल जाएगा. Fear is very important. But too much of fear is paralysis. Fear का habitat, it becomes like a hat. It comes and sits on the head. And the biggest fear is fear of failure. Make fear your friend. Oh, wonderful. Big chocolate. Today is big chocolate coming. Why people don't dream? They don't dream big. Because they are scared. Some fear is there. अरे fail हो जाएंगे. Right? Everybody agrees. So we are all scared. Fear is like salt. You need fear. Little bit of salt, otherwise खाना में taste नहीं होता. If you are not scared, then you will hurt yourself. Fire is there. You'll put your hand inside the fire. हाथ जल जाएगा. Right? So थोड़ा बहुत fear. Fear is very important. But too much of fear is paralysis. Now, because of fear, sometimes we don't take action. We don't even dream. We don't dream big. We don't dream because first mistake we do is, if I dream this big, how will I do it? I don't know how to do it, so don't dream. Do you agree? Have you gone through that? अरे मेरे को इधर जाना है, कैसे जाएंगे नहीं पता, चलो छोड़ो. This is what we do with dreams. Right or wrong? All of us have some dream. Okay, when we are growing up, as a child, ये करना है, ये बनना है. Then we give up the dream. So, first mistake is separate the two things. Dreams, keep it separate. How to achieve that dream, keep it separate. That's a step number one. Now, when we dream, then you can dream anything. You don't have to achieve it. बाद में देखेंगे कैसे अचीव करना है. शुरू में तो मेरे को ड्रीम करना है, तो बाद में देखेंगे ना कैसे करना है. Don't try to do in the night time when you're sleeping, you're getting a nice dream. How do I get it? फिर आप उठ जाएगा, वो ड्रीमिंग ही बंद हो जाएगा. When you're dreaming, dream properly. When you're planning how to achieve that dream, I am going to talk about planning today. Okay? Now, first thing which stops us is this fear. Fear का nature क्या है? What is the nature of fear? Nature of fear is it just comes. So you start feeling anxious. थोड़ा पेट में भी होता है. Then it goes up and comes and sits on our head. Fear का habitat, it becomes like a hat. It comes and sits on the head. Have you noticed that? सिर पे आके बैठ जाता है. Now, हिंदी मूवीज में दिखाते हैं, अरे अमिताभ बच्चन, अक्षय कुमार, डर ही नहीं लगता है, जाएगा सबको पीट देगा. रजनीकांत, ओ भाई, तमिलनाडु number 1 this thing for superstar, man, he can do anything, he's not scared, nothing. Okay, now you ignoring fear, he is so courageous, वो तो सबको मार देता है. अमिताभ बच्चन मूवी दीवार, 20 people are there. पतला सा आदमी है अमिताभ बच्चन. You really look at it, no muscles. But in the movie, he'll show like he'll beat everybody. Courage is not absence of fear. वो डरता ही नहीं है. डरता नहीं है तो stupid है. Fear comes and sits on top of our head. तो क्या करना चाहिए? What we should do? You discuss in your, how do we handle fear? सिर पे बैठ गया है. Okay, now what we should do? You discuss in your groups, 5 minutes, quickly. How should we treat my relationship with fear? कैसा होना चाहिए?
So, what we discussed is, first you have to face your fears.
Face your fears, okay?
Then after that, accept that it is a fear.
Oh, wonderful. Big chocolate. Today is big chocolate coming. See, this is the most important part, is to accept कि डर लग रहा है. Most of the time people are not going to accept this. So I have one question for you. When you are try to remember when you were scared, बहुत डर लग रहा था, something, just try to remember what happens to you.
Stop thinking correctly.
No, or what else?
Panic.
Huh? Shivering, okay. Confusion, anxiety, ये सब thoughts हैं. How do you feel? नहीं और भी है shivering, okay. What else? Huh? Okay, anybody there at the back, you know?
Stress.
अब मुंह सूखता कि नहीं? मुंह सूख जाता है. Your mouth goes dry, no? Right. Okay, chef, continue.
Then don't overthink the fear and plan to overcome the fear.
नहीं, वो अभी उसके आगे मत जाओ आप.
Okay.
So step number 1, what he said was accept. Okay, accept the fear. Don't ignore. Don't try to think मैं तो डरता नहीं हूँ. Don't try to be authentic. First, being authentic means you accept कि I am scared. डर लग रहा है मेरे को डर लग रहा है. Accept तो करेगा ना कि डर लग रहा है. Right or wrong? So first step is accept. It's the second step.
आफ्टर एक्सेप्टिंग वी हैव टू थिंक कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा और क्या खराब हो सकता है. ये तो एक है फिर.
So I'll tell you now. I don't expect you to solve this problem. I'll tell you what I do, and this is for everybody very useful. First step, Alu said he got chocolate. Accept क्या? सिर पे आके बैठ गया, टोपी बन गया. ऐसे बॉस सिर पे मत जा. You are my friend. Come and stand next to me. उसका हाथ पकड़ के चल, let's go for a walk. चलते हैं. कंधे पे हाथ रखे. और क्या हाल है? गुड मॉर्निंग. Make fear your friend. First accept it. Second thing is, don't sit on my head. You are my friend. चल वॉक पे चलेंगे. Don't sit on my head. So when you do this, when you first of all accept, step number 2, go for a walk. Accept it. Be my friend. Make fear your friend. सिर से उसको उतारो. Don't ignore it. Don't put it in your pocket. Don't ignore it. I am not scared. So accept it. And the biggest fear is fear of failure. Do you agree? Fear of failure. If I do this, F मिल जाएगा. तो आजकल जो टेक्नोलॉजी है in Silicon Valley, in our business, lot of tech business, the system which works is fail fast. Have you heard of this? Fail fast. Fail fast. Suppose there is a new feature in Instagram. Okay, लगाया, it doesn't work. Fail fast. Change it. Feature doesn't work. You failed. Accept the failure quickly. Move on. The fear of failure, when you accept it and make it your friend, then you get some space to do something else. Okay, let me go beyond it. Courage is not absence of fear. Courage is, fear है, मान लिया डर लग रहा है, उसके आगे जाना है. रुकना नहीं है, go beyond it. So one of the things is which stops us is trying to stop another flow. भैया तू क्यों मेरे को रोक रहा है, तेरे को ठीक करता हूं, तो मैं अपना रास्ता भूल गया. सेकेंड बिग ब्लॉक इज आई एम स्केर्ड ऑफ फेलिंग. सो मेरा मुंह वो हो गया, मेरा somebody said, how do I address 40 people? So I am scared. Now if I say something, there is one fear of looking good also. Like so many people are there, if I have to speak in front of them, suppose I say something not right, what they will think of me. Fear, I want to look good. All human beings want to look good. Everyone. कोई खराब नहीं दिखना चाहता. I want you people to see me positively. हम लोग पाउडर, लिपस्टिक, नाइस ड्रेस, एवरीथिंग, आफ्टर शेव, वी वांट टू स्मेल गुड, वी वांट टू लुक गुड. करेक्ट? इट्स कॉमन. नोबडी वांट्स टू लुक बैड, बट द फियर ऑफ लुकिंग बैड, लुकिंग गुड और लुकिंग बैड इज वेरी हाई. इफ आई टेक दिस प्रोजेक्ट, फेल हो जाएगा तो लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे. देन अदर फियर्स आर देयर दैट ओके इफ आई लूज ऑल द मनी, इफ आई डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट, मेरा लॉस हो जाएगा इसमें, ठीक है, तो क्या करेंगे. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप, द बिगेस्ट स्टेप इज फियर ऑफ फेलियर एंड अदर फियर्स. दैट some people become optimists. Some mother talks to the child कि बेटा तेरा गिर गया है, तेरे से तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं, you are always like this, you can't do anything right. Then if the mother voice is sitting inside your head, then you are scared also. This is the biggest thing. How did your mother treat you? Told you to take risks, karo, like my mother did to me. And to my sister she did very differently. My sister, she said, you can't do anything right, can't do anything, so the fail ho gaya. So that went in. To me she said, okay, go ahead, do that. She got me a cycle. Okay, you take the cycle and you. So my father was, no, don't give him a cycle, he'll go on the highway, some truck will hit him, he'll have accident. My mother said, don't listen to him, be careful, don't be stupid, drive carefully, but go, take the risk. So somebody tells you to take the risk, or somebody tells you, no, risk lega to mar jayega. You'll get burnt. These are the two things. You have to be very, you have to watch out for, accept the fear, make fear your friend and move on. Or don't get paralyzed with it. Paralyzed means I can't do anything. अभी क्या करे, जिंदगी ऐसे ही है, ये वो. Then you'll become sick. Sometimes you are not able to solve the problem yourself. There's a problem. You are scared of that problem. Okay, how to solve it? Take help. Right? Who should you discuss? Discuss that and find the solution. You have to take and actively seeking help is very important. Actively seeking help. A lot of people don't do that. I'll tell you many cases in my own thing where I made a mistake and where I did not make a mistake also. So typically health reason. Sometimes we get scared because of health, right? So many years ago, one doctor, like, I was not feeling very good. Then he said, get checkup, checkup karake. Then he said, boss, you have a BP issue, blood pressure problem, and anytime you can have a stroke. Dara diya ekdam. Or he made me start blood pressure, this thing. Now, instead of solving the root cause, what is causing the blood pressure? Because blood pressure is one-way door. You start taking the medicine, you have to take them your whole life. So after few years, like, I noticed that my father was diabetic, like my sugar is also going up, Then I said, if I go to the doctor, what is the doctor saying? Dawai lo, dawai lo. I said, no, stop. I will do my research. Then I did my planning. I went deep into it. I became a diabetic expert. All the tools and everything, you know. So I said, okay, let me repair myself. Let me fix my problems. I fixed my problem, and then I start telling people. Now today morning, my friend, he sent me WhatsApp. I have to talk to you. 2 years ago, I told him, don't change your eating habits. आज उसका प्रॉब्लम हो गया, emergency situation हो गई. Sugar has gone really high up. So we have to go actively into taking help. And the right person, I went to the wrong doctor. That doctor is a regular doctor. He believes in medicine. He has no other way to solve it. He'll only give you a medicine to solve. That medicine is very harmful. Every medicine has side effects. Yesterday, what I told you guys, that is not medicine. That is vitamin and supplements which can help your body. No medicine. I am not prescribing any medicine. Moment you take one medicine, it has side effect. So asking the right person, quickly finding out who can help you is very important in that case, whatever be the thing, and actively solving it. Don't suffer the situation. Please don't suffer situations. You deserve better. Okay, don't just be passive about it. क्या करेंगे, मेरा लाइफ है, ऐसे ही होना है.